Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Yeah, I've been waiting on this for weeks now, and I actually got my inventory for my lashes, so I'm going to show you that as well. So let's just get into it because I'm ready to open it and show you guys. Oh my god. So let's get ready for this unboxing. I'm super excited. So got my scissors. Let's get into this. Yeah, so where do we start? Like, where do we start? I'm just so excited. Waiting for this. Oh my gosh. Let me get this part open, y'all. Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Receive all my lashes, so y'all, these lashes are so bomb. These are like the only lashes that I wear, okay? The only. So I ordered 50 pairs, 3 styles. So what's this one? This is Crushing. Let me show you guys. So these are the ones I have on now. These are like so bomb. Like, do you guys see how these lashes look? Like, these are my go-to. These are the ones I have on now. These are like very, very good, high quality lashes. Like, trust me. And yeah, these lashes are bomb. That's the question. So we do have a lash called So Bomb. These are like my second favorites, but I can definitely wear these all the time too. I love these lashes. Alright, so these are So Bomb. This style you can wear anywhere, like every day. I just feel like look at this style lash, like So Bomb. That's why it's called So Bomb. And we have one more. Definitely. Alright, these are called Definitely. Like, look how cute and short but fluffy these lashes look. Like, these were my favorite when I first launched my lash brand. I would wear these lashes every day. But yeah, so I only have 3 styles: Crushing, So Bomb, and Definitely. And yeah, so you may watch this video now, or you may watch this video week, year, 3 months from now. I'm gonna put a coupon code down below, and you can receive like 10% off of your off your lashes by using this code. So y'all just support me and buy my lashes, because I guarantee you guys will love these lashes. Like, these are my go-to lashes. I don't wear any other lashes but my lashes, and these lashes are really good and high quality.